Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Back with another video. In this one, I'm gonna be going to the Ducati showroom to see the new Ducati V4 and the V4S if it's there. So we'll see some of the new bikes in Ducati, and then in the evening I think I'm gonna go to BMW because there's a new event. They're opening a new showroom somewhere in the city. So I'll be taking you guys to both of the showrooms, Ducati and BMW. And we're going to be talking to my friend Rahul in Ducati and my friend Sam in BMW. I hope my mic is fine because in the Hassan video, the ride back, which I was supposed to post, I didn't because the mic quality was so bad that I couldn't post it. But I hope in this video the mic quality is fine. Alright. Here, I guess, yeah. So here. Not sure if I can park over here, but we'll see. So this is the V4S or the...
This is the V4 standard. Yes, we have bookings, but bike, this one maybe it might be.
Okay. So can you just tell me the difference of the new ones and the old ones?
The complete facelift. There is a change.
Yeah, the whole.
The new high pure brake frame.
Yeah.
Much more lightweight and also accurate. And you have two-sided swing arms.
Oh yeah, what was the reason they got the double-sided swing arms?
When the cornering is right, in case high-speed cornering, it wobbles.
Yeah.
So in this case, it has that very stiffness. It gives better, while riding.
Yeah. Okay. And the new bike is more powerful.
Powerful in the sense, yeah.
More horsepower.
5 horsepower is there.
Okay.
Another.
When you tune it and stuff?
When you put the full system like this, you get 225 horsepower.
Damn. That's pretty good. So what about the V4R and the Superleggera? No news about those?
No news.
But I think they'll come this year maybe.
Maybe, we are not sure.
Because last time also the Standard and the S came a year before. Yeah.
Or maybe next year also. I'm not sure. But it has integrated indicators now here. Earlier it used to come in the mirror.
Yeah.
Now it is.
Oh, it's integrated. What about the back?
The rear is regular.
Oh, okay.
And you have race EBS. And just a kind of a combi brake system where you apply on the rear front, actually adapts and the signal to the rear, automatically it cleans.
That's right.
It's very helpful. So
they've actually upgraded the electronics more, right? In this one.
The instrument cluster is also size is big now.
Yeah.
0.9, and then you have a little more options.
Yeah.
And foot punch is 10 mm forward.
Okay.
You have good grip.
Oh, so it's more inwards. Okay. It's a more smaller bike this time.
In terms of handling, this is good.
Yeah, it's a easier bike.
And in terms of looks, of course.
Yeah. Everybody likes the previous looks, but I think people get used to this one.
See, single-sided swing arm is there in very long series.
Yeah, since H2.
Everybody likes it.
Yeah, I mean it looks good. Like you can see the whole wheel and stuff. Yeah. But yeah, it's understandable. They went for complete aerodynamics this time.
Speed reduction is there and this
Yeah.
handling wise, this is good actually.
Yeah, it'll be very easy. I can see that. So like for this bike, what are the things you can add? Except the exhaust. Like carbon fiber and stuff.
Inlets.
Yeah.
Seat folds. Since this already has a seat fold.
Yeah.
Carbon items you can put.
So that comes with the bike, or you get a seat?
With the bike.
Yeah.
With the seat as well.
Oh.
So you can, in case if you want to put the seat.
I don't. Yeah.
An option, but
there's no point for these bikes, honestly.
Pillion.
Yeah. So this one you told it was 34.
60, 70 on the price.
Okay.
Next version will be 45, 60. all the
4560. Okay. So what was your opinion on the new bike?
I like the new bike.
Yeah.
The older version also.
Yeah. I mean, that is like the iconic Ducati.
You have to keep on.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's more powerful in terms of performance, more upgraded.
Performance oriented.
Yeah. More electronics. Oh, okay. It's a bit taller, actually.
On paper, it says same number, but little feel smaller.
Yeah.
Even I felt it is little smaller.
Okay. This one is kind of more, not as much as dedicated, no?
So,
It's not as dedicated.
was very, very aggressive.
Yeah, it was.
This is okay.
Yeah, actually, I feel that. This is more nice. I mean, I've seen many motovloggers in USA and stuff. Yeah, I think you know K. I'm K. So that guy has a V4R, and he has many other bikes like H2, H2R. He has an H2R and all these big bikes of all the companies. And he says that the V4R is the most fun bike he'll ride, and he rides it almost all the time. So this one, compared to the last one, feels more comfortable actually. And the seat also is more comfortable, but the ride height is more this one. That I can feel that.
I mean, once you are in the bike, right?
Hmm.
So that doesn't matter. When you're riding, idle, yeah, you feel it is tall.
Yeah.
And I initially rode it also, it was like too high for me, too tall, and then good on me.
What's the weight actually? It feels so light.
This is 190,
The previous one was one similar, I think.
close to some.
I mean, when you take off the exhaust and add carbon parts, it becomes very light.
Much more like it.
Yeah, it's pretty good. Nice.
Some if you put, I think 4 kg will be like that.
Hmm.
And some carbon loading like wheels, fender, air, and the battery cap,
Yeah.
and then if you change the windshield, and a lot of carbon fiber items, then yeah.
I think this the leanest I've seen a superbike actually. No.
It is inspired from the
Yeah.
and old 916.
Yeah. I got to know that. Many people were calling it the Honda because of the face. I'm like, nah, it doesn't really look like. It doesn't really look like the Honda actually.
The thing is, you have to change this, so you get this speed. You see here.
Yeah.
Carbon, and then windshield change, carbon, exhaust. So
I think when this part also changes, it will make it look more like a Ducati.
since it has a single red,
Yeah.
you feel like okay, this has some different shape or all together. But once you start loading it, no, you'll feel okay, this is good.
Yeah, the bike is very comfortable actually, except the height thing. I mean, I don't have to tiptoe it, it's fine. But for people a little bit below my height, I think they'll find it hard. Have you ridden the bike?
I haven't done it.
How was it? How?
I mean, it's very smooth
Hmm.
compared to the old one. I miss the front previous model which had. I feel little very smooth and refined.
Okay. It still feels like a Ducati, no?
It scares you.
Yeah. What about the shifting and stuff? Smooth.
Gear ratio is good now.
The quick shifter and stuff? Yeah. Okay. Because the guy whose video I saw, he was like, it's very smooth. The quick shifter is very smooth compared to his.
Check with any other brand as well.
Yeah.
Ducati has a good quick shifters. Usually what happens, small lag will be there in other brands.
Okay. Yeah. In my bike itself. Yeah.
Small lag, not too much.
And it's in this bike itself, it's kind of hard to shift. It takes a bit.
As in here, no?
Yeah.
Any bike you take.
Hmm.
Take it as an example for Monster.
Yeah.
It has that crazy smooth shifting. No lag at all.
Okay.
Comfort, no?
Yeah, this one feels very comfortable actually. I mean, I've sat on a Ducati. That one, it had a very committed posture. I had to stretch myself to hold the handlebars.
If you're fit, okay.
Yeah.
Not fit, then it's like.
Yeah.
The 2 feet, you're okay.
Hmm. Yeah, for sure. But this bike, it feels very comfortable. I mean, just sitting on it, riding, I should see. Fine. Yeah, sure. Fine. Which one? The new one. I'm not sure if it's there. Yeah. Fine then, I'll leave. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, nice meeting you too. Yeah. Thank you for spending your time for that. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like, share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Ride safe. Peace.